Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to use Canva in creating a thank you card for your business. So let's get started. Well, I have already logged into my dashboard area. If you don't have Canva, just navigate to canva.com and create a free account. Well, creating a thank you card for your business is extremely easy using Canva. I'll navigate into the search area and type the thank you. And Canva will give me all the templates that are available within the thank you category. So I can tell there are quite a number to choose from. In this case, I will advise that you choose a template that is extremely close to your intention and your business branding. In this case, I will use the simplest, maybe this, the poster here. So I'll click on that template and Canva will show a pop-up asking me if this is what I like to use as my template. I will accept to customize this template and Canva will open it in design mode. Notice that if I don't still like this template that I have already chosen, I have the ability to search up here and get a template of my choice, or also to scroll down the different template options that are provided by Canva. In this case, I would still want to keep it simple and use what I have. First things first, I will add my company logo. I'll navigate into the upload option and upload one from my computer or from Dropbox or Google Drive depending. In this case, I've already uploaded a number of sample designs to use and I'll choose this as my company logo. I'll click on it and it will pop up on my design. I can scale it up a little bit so it becomes a little visible, and in this case I will erase the design that already exists there so that now the design communicates my brand. Well, thank you for coming. Then I can add another phrase here, for example, to our opening. So I'll click on the text area and navigate into the text heading, select that option. I'll make it a little bit wide so that it fits. Now type in to our opening. I can also decide to highlight all of it and reduce the font using the editing tools that are available at the top section. I can also change the font color to reflect the gist of our design. In this case, from the photo colors, there's a very nice orange there. I can also change the font type to suit in what font type I usually use in my organization. For example, Brick and Sons. Once this is done, I can also move this text so that it fits in my design by clicking on that, moving it down to that level. You can also move this up a little and this. Thank you for coming to our opening. Now, once this is done, depending on how I'd like to distribute it to our partners and friends, I'll navigate into the share option and choose the download option from the flyout menu and choose one option that feels safe. I can choose PNG, PDF, and even the SVG. In this case, I'll just do a standard PDF and select download. Once the download is complete, and voila, this is my thank you note. I can move it back a little so that you can see the whole of it. And now I can share this with my friends. Don't forget, it's very possible also to add your friend's name at the top here by using the text tool from the design mode, and also having a salutation up here and a closing remark down here. You can also write a paragraph in your card to ensure that it's very customized to the needs of your business. Well, there it is, how to use Canva to create a thank you card for your business. If you like this video, hit on that subscribe button and I'll be seeing you in the next nugget.